Hi, I'm VanLeeuwen. I'm with Rheem Water Heating, and we're here at the International Builders Show. I'm here to talk to you today about our tankless products. We have an RTG, Rheem tankless gas non-condensing unit. This is available in both an indoor and an outdoor model. It is 160K BTUs up to 190K BTUs. The indoor model is available for homes in the Florida area where we are today, and the outdoor unit is also great for installing here in the Florida area. The RTGH is a high efficiency condensing water heater. So it has two dual heat exchangers. It has a primary heat exchanger and a secondary heat exchanger. It has built-in LeakSense. This unit also has a built-in recirculation pump. It's available in 160K BTU all the way up to 190K BTU, and also is available with an outdoor model for a built-in kit. This is the Rheem IKONIC. It is our flagship tankless gas. It is available in 3 BTUs as well, all the way up to 199K BTUs. It has a built-in recirculation model, an integrated display for installation ease, and we have easy serviceability for our plumbers as well.